I'm Cindy, and I'm going to show you how to make the perfect half square triangle. This ruler is Quilt in a Day half square triangle ruler. Is by Eleanor Burns. If you don't own any other ruler, this is the ruler to have. I've actually worn off the markings on mine because I've used it for so long and so many times. You can make 8 identical ones very quickly, or you can just adapt any of your patterns to use this ruler to square it up. Just remember that when you're following a pattern, overcut the squares that they tell you to cut for their half square triangles. Don't try and cut a 7/8 or a 5/8 or any of those. No one can cut that accurately, and we do not sew that accurately. So overcut it like 1/4 to a 1/2 inch more, and then trim them up using this ruler. This is what you would do if you were going to make 8 identical half square triangles. You'd cut one square, and there's a little diagram here, and I cut a 6-inch piece of fabric is right here. I cut my 2 squares to that. I'm going to square it up to a 2.5 inch half square triangle, and the finished size is going to be a 2 inch. So it gives you all the dimensions that you need in order to do it. So I've drawn a line diagonally across my 6-inch square, and as you can see, I've stitched on either side of that diagonal. And then I'm going to put my ruler, and I'm going to cut halfway here, and then on each one of the lines. And what happens is I end up with these half square triangles. There's 8 of them, and they're identical. And then I'm going to take my ruler, and like it says, I'm going to square them up to a 2.5 inch. My ruler, if you can see, has increments of 2.5 inch, or on the other side, it's got it done by 8ths. So you can do absolutely any size that you want to. I'm going to square it up to my 2.5 inch, and I'm going to use that red dotted line, and I'm going to place it on my stitching line, not on my cut line, but on my stitching line. And you see where I put that red line? It's right on my stitching line. And see where this excess is? I'm going to take my rotary cutter, and I'm going to trim there, and I haven't opened it up yet, and I'm going to trim there. So I'm cutting it to be exact. And I always leave it there till I make sure that I've cut through all of my pieces. And then when I open it up and press it, all I have are my dog ears to cut off, and I have a perfect 2.5 inch square. And if you take this method and use this to square up any of your half square triangles with whatever size that you need, you'll never have a wonky half square triangle, and they'll always be perfect.